In today's lecture, we solving out the question related to differential equation that is asked in different universities. Solve the differential equation d square y upon dx square minus dy by dx minus 6y is equal to 0. Then we get the solution. We follows the following method. At first put the d by dx is equal to capital D, then we get the solution in equation in d square, then we put the capital D is equal to m and we get the auxiliary equation, and the auxiliary equation put is equal to 0 and it is become a quadratic equation, and the quadratic equation is solving out by the squaring method, by the splitting of the middle term, by the quadratic formula, and we get the two roots. Then two roots may be similar, may be imaginary, may be not similar, maybe one imaginary, one similar. Then the four conditions become, and we react as per conditions and as per a situation. Solution. At first write down the given. Given equation is d square y upon dx square minus dy upon dx minus 6y is equal to 0. At first write down the given equation can be written as given equation written as given equation written as d by dx is equal to capital D. D by dx is equal to capital D. We get d square y upon dx square is equal to d square y take it as a common, minus capital D minus 6 into y is equal to 0. Now the auxiliary equation is given by auxiliary equation is given by A is given by put the capital D is equal to m and it is equal to 0. M square minus m minus 6 is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation, and the quadratic equation solving by the squaring method, either a quadratic formula, either splitting of the middle term. It is an easy way. By the splitting of the middle term, we get m square minus 3m plus 2m minus 6 is equal to 0. When we add minus 3m or plus 2m, we get minus m, and minus 3m into 2m, we get minus 6m square. It's a way. We get the solution m as a common, m minus 3 plus 2 as a common, m minus 3 is equal to 0. We get m plus 2 m minus 3 is equal to 0. When we put equal to 0 1 by 1, we get the two roots. M is equal to -2 and plus 3. Now the solution is, here roots are here, roots are -2 and 3. So solution is, we know that when the two roots unequal, then the solution is given by y is equal to c1 e the power ax and c2 e the power bx. Now solution is y is equal to c1 e the power -2x plus c2 e the power plus 3x. This is the solution. c1 e the power -2x plus c2 e the power 3x. This is the solution of the given question. So understand the method by which we can solve out the question. At first put d by dx is equal to capital D, then find out the auxiliary equation, then solve out the auxiliary equation by the splitting of the middle term, and then find out the roots -2 and 3. So solution is y is equal to c1 e the power -2x plus c2 e the power 3x. Now our lecture is finished. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.